My dear friends, today we are with a Russian play by Anton Chekhov, a Russian physician and famous social worker. He had also the bird's eye view on the contemporary society. Firstly, we have to go through the summary or gist. Secondly, we have to go through the character-wise analysis. And finally, we have to complete 6-mark questions and 1-mark questions for HS. So I am Sandeep Ghosh with the drama The Proposal. Let's go through the gist. One of the main character is Ivan Vasilovich Lomov, a neighbor of Stepan Stepanovich Chobuk, has extreme desire to marry Chobuk's 25 years old daughter. So Lomov, 35 years old, he wants to marry Natalia. She is 25 years old. Natalia, she also passionate for Lomov. For the hands of Natalia, in the morning session, Lomov comes to Chobuk's house with a good dress and dress jacket, and the dress looks like New Year Eve's dress. At first, Chobuk, 70 years old landlord, suspects but acts like a double-faced one. He addressed Lomov with good adjectives like my angel, my dear, my precious, etc. But on his mind, he wants to throw him out if he wants to borrow money. But when Lomov speaks out, he has come with the proposal for marrying his daughter. Then Chobuk gets enjoyment and joyfully declares Natalia is also a lovesick cat for Lomov. The old man gladly leaves and goes to fetch Natalia before Lomov. In this time, Lomov is alone and he explains his desire and the cause of marriage. Why will Lomov marry Natalia? For 3 reasons. Number 1, not bad looking. Number 2, well educated. Number 3, and most important, a good housekeeper. Now, Natalia, busy lady, comes with house dress, home dress, nighty-like dress, negligee. Natalia appears before Lomov, though she does not yet know about the proposal. Natalia's father told him some businessman has come for business deal. Yes, that's the point. Here the author Anton Chekhov has explained the marriage is a business deal. There is not a single patch of love, only business deal. Then how would they begin? Lomov begins with their family, with their relations, and then comes the meadow. Lomov claims that ox and meadow to the family property that touches one another, and that ox and meadow begins the cause of their first quarrel. Natalia promptly rejects the demand of Lomov and claims that the land to be theirs for 300 years, though the land was proposed and the contract was only for 40 years. Lomov is not steady. He is always suffering from many physical problems. More than 20 times pulls inside his heart, and he is always suffering from palpitation. Meanwhile, Natalia's father joins the battle and argument, and this time they accuses Lomov in different way and get out from their house. When Lomov gone from Chobuk's house, Then Natalia wants to know the cause of the arrival of Lomab. Then he hears Lomab came to marry her. Lomab came with the proposal. Then Natalia demands his father go and immediately brings him back. Once again Lomab comes back, but intent of talking. Lomab comes back with the intention for taking back his items, but this time Natalia behaves very politely and begs pardon and proposes for journey and tour and hunting. Now again second argument continues on Lomab's dog Gez and Natalia's dog Squeezer. This excitement makes Lomab excused, excurate and hurtful. He cannot tolerate these bad words on his old dog, favorite dog Gez. Natalia and her father fear if Lomab is dead. After few minutes, Lomab gets conscious and Chomuk immediately with his kick mingle them. And by kissing on the hand, Lomab accepts the proposal. Immediately after the acceptance of the proposal, they began the second quarrel. Again, they continue their quarrel, and Chobuk, being a burdenless father, enjoys champagne. Now, this is a play. Most critical play. In the play, the author draws a thumbnail sketch, bird's eye view sketch of the contemporary society. The contact of marriage, the deal of marriage, the business style of the marriage. Firstly, Lomab. Lomab is observed with the concern of his property, and also Lomab is a man of principle and law. Second, Chobuk, the old 70 years old landlord, is a rich businessman who keeps at heart the intent of his property and the burden of his daughter. Third character, Natalia, 25 years old lady. Natalia reveals a kindred observation with the property ownership, not only father but also her husband's. These are the characters. Here, few points that would cover whole the story and whole the character, and 3 years total question paper and 10 years HS question paper about Lomab. Here are 18 points. First point, Lomab's age 35, suffering from palpitation. Number 3, about Gez. Gez cost 125 ruble, brought from Mirnov. Lomab's dog Gez was with the fault. Number 1, old. Number 2, lame. But according to others, Gez was cab horse and muzzle. That means defect on the face. Number 4, ox and meadow. Ox and meadow area 13.5 acre, cost 300 rubles, 5 decimate or about 40 bighas. Number 5, Lomab's property, aunt's dead husband and aunt. About the land, ox and meadow, Lomab's aunt's grandmother gave Chobuk's father's grandfather as a present for making brike. Number 6, partridge. Chobuk wanted to kill Lomab like a partridge, a kind of small bird. Number 7 point is perpetuity, forever. Number 8, Lomab's younger aunt ran away with an architect. Her name was Nastasia Mihailovna. Number 9, gambler. Lomab's father and grandfather was mentioned inside. Number 10, milksop, that means a little boy. Pettifogger, that means low cost or lower level lawyer. Number 12, embellishment, that means cheat. Number 13, escorting, that means shivering. Number 14, when Lomab became senseless, he came to the same sense from glass bowl, drinking water. Number 15, Lomab's dress jacket, gloves, hat. Number 16, New Year's Eve, that means 31st December. Number 17, senseless, when Lomab became senseless, he drank and became incense. Inside pool, number 18, inside pool, more than 20 times in Lomab. All the broad question would cover or Lomab's character. Now, second character, Chobuk, 70 years old, landlord. Number 2, landowner. Number 3, constant desire to get Lomab as a son-in-law. Number 4, embraced and kisses Lomab when he proposes. Number 5, off his balance after the proposal. Number 6, Nastasa, often lovingly calls Natalia as Nastasa. Number 7, merchant for his goods. This word was used to describe Lomab. Number 8, her mother was humpback. Number 9, he and his father were embellishment. Number 10, at the end, he enjoyed champagne. Now, Natalia. Number 1, 25 years old girl. Number 2, good housekeeper. Number 3, shelling peas at the first scene, always working. Number 4, was with negligee, a nighty-like dress. Number 5, invited Lomab by asking him lunch, smoke, and later match. Ox and meadow, 40 years, but demanded for 300 years. Ox and meadow were between birchwood and burnt moss as wedged. That means like sandwich. Number 8, from November, threshing machine was taken by Lomab. Number 9, squeezer, favorite dog, 85 ruble, parents were harness, chisel. Number 10, pride, it was a breed of Volchansky. Number 10, overshot, that means upper jaw was bigger than the lower. Number 12, makeup, shooting time. Makeup, that means the quarrel was made up by Natalia and impressed Lomab by saying about the shooting season. Number 13, gaze is worse than squeezer after proposal. In this content, their quarrel continues. Number 14, kiss on the hand as the agreement of their proposal. So these points, not only short question, but adding up these points will cover the broad question of 6 marks. Thank you. Goodbye.